Hey Dreamers, quick update on my portfolio. So year to date, my portfolio is up 2.21%. If you see the date here, April 27, 2025 at 3:37 p.m. Right now it's at 5:17. A couple hours, I took the screenshot. Overall, I'm up 2%, 2.2%, and I made around $19,000 in dividend income. This is pure dividend. This doesn't include any of the options selling that I do. This just do them. Then I took $55,000 from my expenses this year. So this is the overall portfolio. I was up like almost 15, 17% this year until Feb 20, and like all your portfolios and my portfolio went down a lot. So finally it recovered. So I'm seeing 2.2% in up year to date this year. Okay, let's move on to the charts. Yeah, QQQ. If you guys followed my videos from last 2 months, I kept telling everyone that April will be up month. So if you see, if you follow QQQ, it's already up. Month to date, it's in positive. QQQ is in positive. Um, so um, so let's look at here. So it's following the EWT 5 waves. So it's settled down here at 0.382, and then there's a big recovery here. But what we are expecting here is, if you see, there's a V kind of recovery. Everyone is thinking that it'll just go down and then it'll just go towards that wave 5, and it's ended at 618. But we are thinking, instead of a V recovery, we are thinking it's going to be a W. So I want to quickly show you guys what we are thinking. So if you guys see this, in 2022, we had a similar scenario where the stock went down from the 410. I mean, QQQ went down from 410 to almost 275. So it went down and then it recovered, then it's down again and it recovered here, right? So this is a W. If you see here, 1 2 3 4, right? So right now we have only one here. So let me go to the daily chart. If you guys see this daily chart, so we're thinking, right? So one, right? Two, uh, then since it passed this resistance level of 459, which is really great. So then there is this line here at resistance, one more level, it crossed that. We are at 172. Next resistance at this level at to 490. We are thinking QQQ will continue going towards the 490, and then we'll see a chopping, and it'll go all the way down to 402. There's a possibility of that. At least we are expecting that to happen, and we are preparing for that. There's no guarantee for that. Do not listen to the people saying that people it can do. I'm just assuming things, right? So like you guys. So in stuff we are thinking a W in stuff V. So 1 2 3, then we'll recover. So that's what we are thinking. That's what we are hoping for, right? Almost 100 points from here, 495 to 395. It's almost 100 points. That's what we are expecting. Let's keep you guys eyes open, and let's make some money, right? Let's Nvidia is looking great. So it's five down, 1 2 3 4 5 down, and then it started recovering. One, two, now it's in third wave. Then there'll be fourth wave of correction and the fifth wave. So right now it's that 108, but it needs to cross that 113 right here. Once this crosses 113, then it'll be positive. There is that resistance here at 113. It can go all the way towards 126, then it'll settle down and then it'll go up. Keep an eye on Nvidia, it's looking great. So then strategy is looking great this year. So it crossed that resistance of 335. It's looking great. So it'll go towards the new highs. Keep an eye on it. We feel like this year it'll go to new highs of 574. Right now it's at just 363. So there's a chance of almost making 70 to 80% from here. Keeping an eye on. We do not hold any strategy stock in our portfolio. I play with MSTX and stuff, MSTR. So keep an eye on that. There's a lot more money. So we sold some covered calls last week on MSTX, but keep an eye on MSTR. On MSTX, there is no tariffs impact on MSTX at all. Just keep an eye. Then UPST, again, there are no tariff impact on UPST at all. In fact, they'll make a lot of money if economy is weak and recession, because they can do a lot of loans, and they make a lot of commissions, right? So, but the chart is not looking that great right now. It needs to cross this $55. Right now it's at 48, but if you guys see here, it went to all the way to $30 and then recovered almost to 49 dollars. But it needs to cross this 55 to be bullish. Keep an eye on it. Once it goes towards 35, I feel like this will go to the new heights towards that 120 we've been expecting. Keep an eye on it. SMCI, yeah, it looking great. It crossed this resistance of 33. Uh, the next resistance is at 41. I think next week it has results coming up. We believe SMCI will go towards the $65. So keep an eye on it. Chart is looking great. AMD, yes, yeah, the 5 wave is down all the way from 160, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 wave down. So there is a mini 5 wave up going on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It goes towards that 140. Keep an eye on it. But it needs to cross this 4. It needs to cross this 115 to be bullish. As of now, it's still choppy, but once it crosses this 114, 115, then we can start entering into the stock. But I hold a lot of AMD already. I'm not adding anything at this time. Unity, little choppy, but it's looking great right now. But it needs to cross this 23. It's almost there right now. It's at 22. It needs to cross this 23. Then it needs to cross this 27. We are expecting this will go towards 45, $50 this year. No tariff impact on Unity at all. I believe this stock will see new highs this year, but market needs to help. So hopefully, coming results are on May 7th. I believe Unity results on, I mean, UPS results on May 6th, May 7th. I think both of these stocks create wonders this year. There's a lot more money to be made. A lot more means almost 100% up from this. We're expecting 50 to 100. We are expecting almost 45 to 50. Keep an eye on these two stocks. Baba, even though with all this drama going on with China tariffs and everything, stocking is looking great. So it went all the way down to 94, then it started recovering. We have this line earlier for the resistance. It needs to cross this line here, 120 to be bullish, and then it needs to cross 145 to be really bullish. So just keep an eye on this. Alibaba, but again, Tesla, yes, it went down to all the way to 216. So we are seeing a recovery. Amazing close on Friday, 10% up at 284. We didn't expect this at all. I We thought Tesla will be choppy and it won't go this much. But then, to our surprise, it went up 10%. We sold some covered calls. We have to see how this will act next week. Based on it, either we roll it or we'll re-enter Tesla at later time. I believe we already talked about AMD. And one other stock I want to show you guys is Hood. We looked at the chart, so it has a resistance of this 48. It crossed that resistance. I believe there's a lot more money to be made on Robinhood, and there is no tariff impact at all. It went to 66, and then it went down to 29. There's a lot more money to be made. Keep an eye on this. We do not hold any Robinhood at all right now. I want to enter Robinhood at this level, 44, 45. It's moving fast. If there is a chance, I'll enter next week into Robinhood. But keep an eye. We do not hold any Robinhood. I believe we hold TQQQ. We have Nvidia. We have MSTX. We have UPST. We have SMCI. We have AMD. We have Unity. There's no Baba. We do not hold any Baba stock. Yes, we have some Tesla and covered calls and Robinhood. No stake at all. We'll be adding Robinhood very soon. That's all I have, guys. See you later.